So I used to have a chess clock, but unfortunately it was stolen when I lived in New York. I haven't really played much chess in the past few years, but my son, who's 6, just learned how to play, and I thought it might be fun for him to play on a clock. So I decided this weekend to hack together this quick prototype. It's ESP32, and I'm using the blynk app here. Essentially, for the app, I really just have two sliders and a Bluetooth connection. Um, so you can set 5 to 1 or whatever you want to do. Um, and the timer display um, is one of these. The timer display is one of these these SSD 1306. It's a 128 by 32 display. It's not showing up all that great because of the contrast. Here you can see it. And if you press the button, the other timer starts. This timer on this button here, I think, is set to 30 seconds. So I was thinking for the app, I could have different display modes. You could display the ticks down to milliseconds. You could display the, you could set it to just display the second ticks. You can actually hook 2 of these displays up to the ESP32 with 3 pins, which is kind of nice. I just figured that out about 10 minutes ago. So, it works. It's functional. You could actually play a game with this if you could figure out how to snake your fingers in here. But I think I can mill out a PCB pretty easily and make this thing actually pretty small or compact. But the other thing I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about just making something that kind of looks like a telegraph, lever that you tap on, but have to have 2 of them, and to use, instead of buttons, to use opto isolators. So, I think it could be pretty cool. I'd like it if you could really slam the button hard, because there's something very satisfying when you're playing speed chess about really bashing the button. And the nice thing about using opto interrupters instead of mechanical buttons is, if as long as the actual device is robust, you're not likely to break it when you slam the switch. Let's say if you take a piece and you're playing an aggressive game. So anyway, if anybody's interested, I can post the code on GitHub. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.